wind is going to give us fits today, I know it. Won't get past this. Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, I hope you can hear me for the wind. It's pretty windy, it's pretty chilly. We've had snow, a day or so ago, and it's supposed to warm up today, but it hasn't yet. So we're gonna get inside and get some ribs prepared for you guys. Got some, I don't even know how big they are, but got some spare ribs in there I picked up. Prices are going crazy, but we found some we could afford. So guys, we're gonna get these prepped up, get them on the grill, do a low and slow. I hope to stay around 250 degrees with this wind. It could be a little tricky. We'll just see how it goes, guys. Let's go inside and get these ribs prepped. Okay, this is about 3.5 pounds, a little over 3.5 pounds of spare ribs here. Pretty good size. It'll feed the family very well. I'm just still trying to decide what I'm using as rubs and everything as I go. So right now we're going to start with just a plain yellow mustard base just for a binder. Don't need a whole lot. And get it on all sides. And I decided to go with this classic barbecue rub from Trade East. It's one of my favorites I go to. I'll season it up really good. And a flip. Don't forget to get your ends and sides too, guys. Alright, once this fire is up to temp, we're going to get these bad boys on there and get them smoking. Bring this thing up to temp. Alright. Guys, let's get this beautiful rack of ribs on this grill. Indirect. Look at there. For our smoke, I'm just going with a little cherry wood, guys. We'll check on this in about an hour or so. Hey guys, we're about an hour into this. I just want to come out and take a look. We've been holding temperatures really good. I'm gonna give this thing a spray. This is just some apple cider vinegar and some apple juice. Kind of typically what I use on ribs. Well, I keep saying I'm gonna buy me a real spritzer, but there we go. Starting to form a little bark there. Looking good, I like it. Okay guys, because we're here, got a little wood there burning off. It's alright, we're gonna add more to it. Get off there. Just gonna shake off some ash here. Remember that buildup on that charcoal, the ash acts as an insulator and it'll put your fire out. Add some more charcoal. Been using nothing but used charcoal for my last cook on here, guys. The big old block. We'll get some smoke out of that one. I'll check back in about an hour. Hour number 3, guys. I'm Basically gonna do the same thing, not much. You know, I say that. If I could do this, I'm gonna flip this around just for some even cooking. Oh, ouch. I don't know how necessary that was, but we did it. Go ahead and give this another spray. Coming along nicely. We're holding temperatures real good. Give our coals a shake. Our wood is doing real well. And I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more charcoal. Probably in about another hour I'm gonna wrap this. Guys, look at this bark on here. We're forming up really good. I'm gonna get this wrapped up so we can start getting this thing tendered up. And you do know it is a word in Kentucky. Let's get this off of here. All right, we'll put meat side down on this one. All right, guys. Hooked up a little bit. I'm gonna spray this really good. That wind is a killer today. Spray up underneath here. Good and tight. Let's get this back on the grill. Not worried about smoke right now. We want to shake off some ash. Feed this thing some more charcoal pieces. I'll probably run this at least 1 hour, maybe 2. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. I've been in the foil for about 1.5 hours and I just want to check this. Wow, bunch of pullback there. I don't know if you can see that. We definitely got some pullback. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I want to check some temps. Pretty sure we're coming out of the foil. Yeah, we're 190. I'm going to pull this out and just get it back on there and get it on some heat and let the bark reset on here. And it ain't gonna be long, we're gonna be glazing this. Gonna wear gloves this time. That burnt last time I touched that. Never done that before. Alright guys. Got a lot of liquid in there. Alright guys, here we go. Would you look at that? It is beautiful. We're just about at temp, and I just want some of this bark to kind of reset on there before I glaze it off and get it inside. So maybe another 30 minutes or so, we'll be done. Check back in about 30 minutes. Alright guys, I am very impressed with what I see. That bark's pretty much set up on here. Everything looks really good. I'm just going to come in here with some Sweet Baby Ray's. This is the hickory and brown sugar. Love this stuff, guys. Got other people going to be eating. I didn't really want to add any heat to this, so. Guys, I will do this couple layers here, maybe 3, I don't know yet. Let this barbecue sauce set. We'll get inside and cut her up, give her a taste. I don't know about your house, but my kitchen is smelling amazing. Let's get into this, guys. This thing is just falling apart. Got a good 1/4 inch maybe smoke ring. I'm digging that. Get a bite of this. Alright guys, gonna get in here on this. I'm curious. It just tears Tearing right off the bone. Had a few bones just fall out of here. Wow. Delicious. I've been craving some ribs. I don't think I've done them all winter long. Had a nice day, windy day. Started out really cold. There was snow on the ground this morning when I first got up. I'm pretty sure it all melted away. Just another bite here. That cherry wood goes great on here, guys. Tell you what, folks, I'm pretty sure I've done this particular cook again. I just wanted to do it because it's been a while. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming along. So guys, I don't know what we're doing next week. We got a couple things coming up. Our next video might be a good one. I think you might enjoy it too. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, thanks as always, and we will see you on the next cook. God bless you, folks. Bye, bye, bye. Ethan had to chime in there at the last minute.